Hi. Me and Chloe's going for a little walk here. That's my pretty baby right there. Huh, Chloe? Yeah, my pretty baby. That's my pretty baby. I love her more than life itself, I swear. It's my pretty baby. Look at the camera, Chloe. Yeah, pretty girl. Oh, look at the camera, Chloe. Yeah, that pretty baby, huh? Yeah, that pretty baby. Okay, let's go. So we're down here walking along by the corn maze. See if we can get any interesting items here. Creatures of the corn. That's what we'll do. We'll just go along here and get some pictures of the corn maze. Probably moving too fast. Chloe's in a big hurry here. Beautiful day out here. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, we're gonna have to go in the corn maze, Chloe. And Chloe likes to go for walks. Oh gosh, she loves to go for walks. It's my little rescue dog. I rescued her from the shelter. My little one-eyed rescue dog. She don't care if she has one eye. She does not care. So I think I'm going to pick her up and carry her a little bit into the corn maze. See if we can get a good picture down, maybe down the rows or something, huh? Come here. Come here. Anybody for some corn? Let's look up the corn aisle and see what we can see, okay? Yeah, let's look right up there. I'm holding my baby in my arms, my little Chloe. Let's look through this. Through the corn maze, huh? Then we'll look at this, over this aisle. It's kind of fun standing in the corn maze. We'll go over here. Children of the corn. Whoa! That corn slapped you in the face, huh, honey? It's quite strange. Kind of above the corn. Okay. Are you hot? Stay here. You can't go on the road. Let's go.